If you're looking for a solid air fryer without spending over $100, this video is for you. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, I'll walk you through 5 of the best air fryers you can get right now, all budget-friendly and packed with features. Let's count them down from number 5 to number 1, and don't forget to check the video description for the latest prices and deals. Number 5 is Chefman 2-quart mini air fryer. Coming in at around $50, this is a compact and stylish pick for small kitchens, dorms, or anyone cooking for one. It's available in multiple colors: black, gray, white, and even red, making it a great fit no matter your kitchen vibe. With a non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and a simple design, it's perfect for quick snacks like fries or wings. Just keep in mind the 2-quart capacity is best for personal use, not big batches. Number 4 is Chefman Digital Air Fryer XL10L. Here's where things get interesting. Unlike the small model, this one gives you a massive 10-liter capacity and digital controls. It's more than an air fryer. It works as a rotisserie and dehydrator too. This is ideal if you want one appliance that can do more than just air frying without breaking the bank. Number 3 is Ninja AF101 Air Fryer 4-quart. Ninja's AF101 is a consistent top seller, and for good reason. It uses air crisp technology to give food that golden, crispy texture without much oil. It's fast to preheat, easy to clean, and versatile enough to roast, reheat, bake, and dehydrate. If you don't need a huge basket but want quality and versatility, this one's a solid bet. Number 2 is Ninja Air Fryer Pro 5-quart AF141. This one is a step up from the AF101 with a slightly larger capacity and faster performance. With its 4-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The 400 degrees Fahrenheit max temp and crisp technology give food that perfect golden texture. If you like the Ninja brand and want something a bit more robust than the AF101, go for this one. Number 1 is COSORI 6-quart 9-in-1 air fryer. At the top of the list is the COSORI 6-quart air fryer, available in dark gray and light gray finishes. This 9-in-1 model gives you presets for nearly everything: chicken, fish, veggies, even desserts. It has a large capacity for family-sized portions, but still fits nicely on most countertops. You get even heating, quiet operation, and a BPA-free, dishwasher-safe basket, all under $100. It's the best mix of style, capacity, and performance for the price. These 5 air fryers prove you don't need to spend a lot to get serious cooking power. Whether you're tight on space, want smart presets, or need something family-sized, there's a solid option here under $100. Tap the links in the description to check today's prices. They change often. And if this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more smart home picks.